The Ogun State Government reviewed its plans to convert vehicles running on petrol to gas in its bid to reduce carbon emission. The pilot phase of the conversion of vehicles using petrol and diesel to enable them to run on liquefied petroleum gas, also known as autogas, is in progress.
When we discovered that the cost of diesel is very high, the issue of mass transit that we wanted to do was put on hold, because if you have to use the buses that have been purchased by the government, the cost will have been too high for government to sustain. So we now thought of converting the diesel engine to gas so that the cost would be minimal.
It was also disclosed that engineers will start receiving training on how to convert vehicles to usage of autogas instead of petrol or diesel.
This is going to generate employment. The conversion itself will generate employment for the masses of our youths, and at the same time it will enhance an emission-free environment. So it's a very, very good project, a project in the right direction. So we give thanks to His Excellency. If you want to observe the style of this administration, once a promise is made, that promise will be fulfilled. And this is a fulfilled promise already.
The first beneficiaries of this is government vehicles. That's why it's a pilot phase. But the beauty about it is that we are using the government as the guinea pig. So the moment people see and understand what we have done, then taxis and other vehicles will embrace it, because at the end of the day, it's all about cheap transportation, it's all about cleaner economies, and it's all about job creation.
This idea is to also ensure that vehicles utilize other sources of energy, which ultimately will reduce the amount of emission in circulation, which is the largest contributor to global warming. This initiative is one of the newly introduced concepts to the ecosystem of transportation in Ogun State by the current administration, in addition to the Gateway Bus pilot scheme. It is also of note that a Ministry of Transportation in the state was created by the current administration led by Prince Asero Abeokuta. Bolaji Sampson, OGTV News.